A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficial and merciful. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Good evening, good afternoon and good morning throughout the universe, throughout the world, all my viewers who are with us in different segments of this universe accordingly. We have been discussing many topics related to ultrasound. Many discussions had already been done, but now in today's lecture I am going to just discuss about ultrasound. What is ultrasound? अल्ट्रासाउंड है क्या? तो अल्ट्रासाउंड को समझने के लिए तो सबसे पहले you should know that this is a sound. Ultrasound. Ultrasound is a combination of two words. Is a combination of two words. One is ultra, the other is the sound. So when you unite both, it becomes ultrasound. Walaikum assalam everybody. Sultana Parveen, Rashid Dilzak, so nice of you. Thank you for being with us. Okay. Okay. So sound, we have all read about the sound in our HSC higher school and even in secondary school, that is in the metric also. We have studied the topic of sound. So what is sound? You should know about the sound first and then we will talk about ultrasound. So as far as the sound is concerned, what do you think? Can anybody tell me what is sound? What is in your mind? Yes, today's lecture is also an interaction lecture. I have already given the lecture on this, what is ultrasound. Let's see how many of you can recall it. You see, as I told you, ultrasound, it is a combination of two words. One is ultra, the other is the sound, and both of them are not a medical terminology, neither ultra, neither sound. It is a English literature word. So ultra means very, very increased, बहुत ज़्यादा. साउंड, आवाज़, साउंड, तो बहुत ज़्यादा साउंड, it means जो है ना, it is an ultrasound. But if you say बहुत ज़्यादा साउंड, very, very excessive sound, so in this case the excessive sound is which is called ultrasound. So when will you say that this sound sorry, is an ultrasound? So it needs a measurement. It needs a measurement, and that measurement of sound is called hertz. Hertz, H-E-R-T-Z. Hertz is the smallest, it is the smallest unit of the sound, and when you keep 1000 hertz in one bag or one box, then it becomes 1 kilohertz. Hertz, 1000 hertz को आपने एक जगह किया तो ये बन गया 1 kilohertz. और when you put 1000 kilohertz into one again a large bag or box, so it becomes a megahertz. So megahertz is the frequency 1000 into 1000 time more than the hertz. Hertz is the smallest unit. ठीक है ना. अब जैसे for example, if you take 1 rupee note, although nowadays it is not available, let us say if you take 10 rupee note, so that it becomes 100 rupee. Then again 10 100 rupees, if you take as an accumulated type, so that means it is 1000, it will become 1000 note of 1000 rupees. And if you gather 11 as a 5 1000 rupees together, it will become a note of 5000. So, similarly, when 1000 hertz is kept in a box, we call that box as a kilohertz, and when 1000 kilohertz are accumulated in another big box, so it becomes 1 megahertz. So, 1 megahertz is 1000 into 1000 times more than the hertz. You got it? Now, this hertz, megahertz, which is called ultrasound, because in ultrasound the frequency of sound is in megahertz. We do not hear this megahertz, we cannot hear. Why? Why we cannot hear this megahertz? We cannot hear because we have got a limitation. हमारा एक हद है, उस हद से ज़्यादा हम जा ही नहीं सकते. ये अल्लाह का निज़ाम है. And that limitation was 10,000. That limitation is at 20,000 hertz, and hertz is the smallest unit. So, that limitation is 20,000 hertz. Up to 20,000 hertz we can hear the sound, but when it crosses the 20,000 we cannot hear that sound, because we are not capable of hearing that much higher frequency sound. So, up to 20,000 hertz, we are not talking about megahertz, small unit hertz. If 20,000 hertz they get together, so it becomes a we can hear up to that much frequency. But if it increases 20,000 hertz, then we are unable to hear that sound. So, up to 20,000 hertz we can hear the sound. Above 20,000 frequency we cannot hear that sound. You got the point over here? So, but in ultrasound there the frequency is in megahertz, 1000 into 1000 times more than a hertz. 1000 से 1000 गुना ज़्यादा है वो. Got? अच्छा, okay. Now, this high frequency voice, a sound, how does it can be produced? कैसे ये हम प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं? जनाब शाहिद खान, वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Right. So, we can hear up to a limit of 20,000 hertz. 20,000 hertz से अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ेगी तो हम नहीं सुन सकते. Right? For example, a practical, an experiment was conducted, and in this experiment a person was said to sit in a glass chamber which was airtight and airproof. He was made sit on a chair in that glass chamber, and a heavy amplifier was applied on his ear, right. And then he was said that we are going to produce sound from outside, and if you hear the sound, you press the button, the camera will get off. Okay. So, with a heavy amplifier outside, initially 1000 hertz were produced in his ears by the heavy amplifier. He tapped the button and the light in front got on. So, we thought we understood that he had heard the sound. Then after some time 2000 hertz, 3000, 5000, 10,000, 15,000, the hertz was increased gradually, and up to 20,000 hertz, that person he responded, and he was told, when you hear the sound, when you hear the voice, you press the button. So, that means he was hearing, that is why he tapped the button and the light went on, by which we understood that he has heard that sound. ठीक है, इसमें कोई परेशानी की बात नहीं है। ये देखना ही क्या नीचे क्या हो रहा है। अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं वो तो वो कॉल कर, ठीक है। So, up to 20,000 hertz we are able to hear the sound, and when the sound wave increases above 20,000 we are unable to hear that sound, right. So, this was all about the sound, but some more points are still remaining. Number one, sound travel in a straight line. It does not travel in roaming here and there and like that, and then come to the destination. No, it travels in a straight line. So, sorry. So, in excuse me. So, up to 20,000 hertz, that person he tapped the button, and we heard, we see the light was on. It means that he had heard the now sound. When 21,000 hertz frequency was sent to his ear, he didn't responded. 22,000 he didn't responded. 25,000 he didn't responded. Up to 30 to 40,000 megahertz was produced on his ear, but he was unable to press the button because he didn't heard that voice. So, it is proved that our frequency is only up to 20,000 hertz. So, up to 20,000 hertz we can what you call listen the voice, a sound. So, it is like that. So, you should be very careful about the physics of the sound. So, it travels in a straight line. Similarly, the ultrasound, it also travels in a straight line, but when the frequency increases above 20,000 hertz, we are unable to hear that sound, because we do not have that much hearing capacity for that much high frequency sound. So, so ultrasound is a sound which is whose frequency is more than 1 megahertz. Now, what is megahertz? So, megahertz is 1000 to 1000 times more than hertz. If you accumulate 1000 hertz, okay, you put all this 1000 hertz into another big box which is called kilohertz, and when 1000 kilohertz are put in another very huge box, so that box is 1 megahertz. So it is very simple, very easy. So 1 megahertz is the sound which we may call, this is the highest frequency sound, and but we cannot hear that, right. Okay. Now you got this point. Okay, ultrasound is a very very high frequency sound in megahertz. यहाँ तक इसको मैं एक अभी एंड करता हूँ. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट ये है कि हाउ विल यू एक्सप्लेन अल्ट्रासाउंड टू अ ले मैन. एक आम आदमी को आप क्या समझाओगे अल्ट्रासाउंड के बारे कि अल्ट्रासाउंड क्या है. सो दे शुड ऑल्सो बी ट्रेन. तो एक आम आदमी को बताने के लिए आप कहोगे, आप उसको कहिएगा कि ये एक मोडेलिटी है, ये एक मशीन है, ये एक डिवाइस है जिसके ज़रिए से हम आपके जिल्द के नीचे beneath the skin you can see everything. So ultrasound is that you can explain in this way to those people who are not very much learned कि ठीक है अल्ट्रासाउंड वो फ्रीक्वेंसी है, वो साउंड है जो बहुत ही हाई स्पीड होती है लेकिन हम उसको सुन नहीं सकते, राइट, बिकॉज हमारी लिमिट अल्लाह ताला ने महदूद कर दी है. Okay. Now, what next? Next is that how this ultrasound is produced. तो ये अल्ट्रासाउंड कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है, हाउ दिस अल्ट्रासाउंड इज प्रोड्यूस. सो यू सी द प्रोब तो देखा ही होगा ना आपने. तो जब प्रोब को जब आप ऊपर से खोलोगे तो अंदर आपको जो है ना बारीक बारीक क्रिस्टल नज़र आएंगे, एंड दीज क्रिस्टल आर प्रेजेंट विद इन द प्रोब, एंड दीज क्रिस्टल they are responsible for producing ultrasound, and they are called the PEM, piezoelectrical material. So piezoelectrical material is a very very costliest metal used as a crystal in the probe. अब it depends upon you कि how much crystal you want to keep in your probe. So alhamdulillah I don't need that. I can give the lecture inshallah for more than 6 hours in this. Okay, so I don't need that. Right. Now what next? Next is that how this ultrasound is produced. So ultrasound is produced by the probe of the ultrasound system. It is produced by the probe of the ultrasound system, and this probe, it contains many minute crystals called PEM, piezoelectrical material, and it is due to these crystals, the quality of image depends. If it is you see if it is number of PEM is more in your what you call probe, so the resolution will be very good. But if the PEM is decreased, 10-12-15 PM को जो है ना ला करके डाल दिया और उसके बाद जो है ना कहा हाँ जी ठीक है जी आपको ये ओके हो गया, नहीं ऐसा नहीं चलता है, ठीक है. यू शुड बी कॉशियस। अपने सामने आप उसको डरवाओ, उसका रैम बढ़वाओ, उसके प्रोसेसर ज़रूरत पड़े तो वो बढ़वाओ आप, और उसके बाद फिर आप देखोगे कि आपका लैपटॉप जो है ना वो भाग रहा होगा, राइट, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। ओके, तो हम बात कर रहे थे व्हाट इज़ अल्ट्रासाउंड। तो अल्ट्रासाउंड इज हाँ, इट कैन बी डिफाइंड इन टू वेज। फर्स्ट, फॉर अ लेमैन, एक आम आदमी के लिए, तो फॉर अ लेमैन या एक आम आदमी के लिए, तो यू कैन से दैट excuse me, that ultrasound is a machine, modality, equipment or device by which we can see anything beneath the skin, right? You cannot see anything beneath the skin, anything. When you put the probe, you can see everything inside जो कुछ वहाँ मौजूद है, right? So it is a very very high frequency sound. And on the other way, if you want to explain some learned people, so you can say ultrasound is a combination of two word, that one is the ultra, the other is the sound. If you combine it, it will become ultrasound. तो अल्ट्रासाउंड के लिए आपको अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन होना चाहिए, और अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन जब आप चलाओगे तो आपको उसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी ये रणवीर, इसको भेजो जरा, ये बच्चे को, इसको भेजो बच्चे को। फोन नहीं हो सकता। हेलो, प्रॉब्लम आ गई है।
क्या हुआ?
तो उठा नहीं यार,
वही हो गया।
कैमरा पता नहीं, हाँ डिफिकल्टी आ रहा था।
ये ना मुझे कुछ नेट का मसला लग रहा है, ये उस दिन भी हो गया था।
तो इसको डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं, ख़त्म करते हैं, थोड़ी देर बाद।